House to Home Condo Edition. Brought to you by Builders First Source, formerly ProBuild of Detroit Lakes. Other sponsors for House to Home Condo Edition include Fergus Home and Hardware, formerly Cullen's Home Center, Piscum Flooring and Custom Showers, Agassiz Granite Tops, and Medallion Cabinetry.
Welcome back to House to Home, the Condo Edition. Now with me is Janine. Now Janine, I don't want you to tell anybody else this, but I think you played the most important role here at Cullen's on our whole project. And that's because you brought everything together. You brought our flooring, tile, laminate, all our backsplash, tied it all together. So tell us a little bit, how do you help out people like Beth and I when we come in to start a project like this?
Well, you had a starting point, which was your cabinet color. So we started with that, and we found a flooring that worked with that, and we knew that floor would flow into the bathroom floor. So we went that direction and then picked a tile for the tub surround and countertops and carpet for the bedroom. So I was able to have it flow together since it wasn't a huge space.
Well, that is one thing. It's kind of unique. It's less than 1,000 square feet, but we have everything that a big house has. We've got laminate tile, we've got some nice laminate flooring, got some new carpet in the bedroom, and then we did the backsplash in the kitchen, and then that walk-in tile shower. But to tie all those things together, it takes that little kind of touch.
Right. It also takes knowledge of what's out there and what's on the floor. And because we're on the floor so much helping people, we're aware of what we have, and as the companies bring in new products, we learn about the new products and how they go together and what application would be best. So I could immediately eliminate some things that wouldn't work for you.
Okay.
For instance, when you say laminate, the new laminate type flooring is a floating floor, but we used a vinyl floating floor, and that's right now our #1 seller. Okay. It's a vinyl product that floats like laminate, but it's much more durable and more forgiving and
the look
easier to clean.
is nothing like what you'd expect. I will say that.
Very realistic.
Yeah, and very sharp. No, it just turned out great. So give people an overview when they come to Cullen's and now the Fergus Home and Hardware. What can they expect when they come and talk to you and check out the flooring department?
Well, yeah, I can help them from just one single room or a whole project. And we do whole projects. We do whole houses, windows, insulation, down to dressing the home, which is kind of my thing. But it is good to start with us and help. Even the color of the windows is sometimes an issue. Are you doing white? Are you doing wood? And how is that going to tie into your kitchen and cabinetry and wall colors? And it all has to work together to give you the look you want.
Yeah, no, you did a great job. And we're excited to unravel or reveal this on TV over the next few weeks. So very exciting, but want to thank you. You played a great big role and did a great job for us.
Great. It's fun. I have a fun job, just like I play all day long.
Great. I'd love to hear that.
Good. Thank you.
All right. We'll be back right after this. Welcome back to House to Home, the Condo Edition. I am now talking with John. Now, John, you are the draft/design person here at Cullen's. So tell us a little bit that side of Cullen's and now which is transitioning to Fergus Home and Hardware.
Okay. First, I guess I'm the primary kitchen designer. So do a lot of going out to people's homes and field measuring to see what would work in their existing structure, as well as starting with new construction and putting together designs for that. Of course, bidding multiple different lines of cabinets and countertops for those types of situations. On the home design side, can definitely start with an existing set or start from scratch and put together a set of blueprints for building purposes or bidding off of.
Okay. Now give me a little background. You'd mentioned that you've been doing this for close to 12 years now?
Yeah. I've worked at 2 local lumber yards, and in the past 4 or 5 years have gone on to, I guess, more specialized in the cabinetry aspect of it. really have a good eye for detail, so it just kind of I slid right in. Works out pretty well.
Okay. Now tell us, what do people expect when they come in, and they might, so they could start with just simply the blueprints of their house.
Correct.
Tell me what they can expect when they come in and meet with you.
Lots of questions.
Okay.
I'm trying to get an idea for what budget they're in and what their individual personalities, what they're looking for out of a kitchen or out of an addition or whatever it may be. There's just such a broad spectrum of products out there that we want to get them the right product for their project.
Okay. All right. So give me a little idea. When you come and take a look at a person, you go to their location directly. Mm-hmm. Do you just start with measurements and different things? Kind of give me an idea on that.
That is, initially we're looking for things that can't be moved. Of course, we've got some appliances and windows and doors that we kind of want to keep. So we'll do the preliminary measurement. Then we start talking about what design aspects they want to see in their proposed new kitchen. If it's something a little more simple or quite a bit more elaborate, there's just such a broad range there. Wall cabinets can kind of have a cityscape appearance where they jog up and down, in and out. Other ones are much more straightforward, going to have a consistent lines. Door styles, species of woods, of course, finish colors. All those things are actually going to lead me into one brand or another for one reason or another. Some of our more economical options don't have the same offerings, of course, as some that are going to get us up there a little bit further.
Okay. Okay. All right. No, it makes sense. All right. So best thing to do, give you a buzz, stop in, say hi, and when they're starting a project, you're the guy to talk to.
Definitely.
All right. Well, thanks, John. We appreciate it.
House to Home Condo Edition. Brought to you by Builders First Source, formerly ProBuild of Detroit Lakes. Other sponsors for House to Home Condo Edition include Fergus Home and Hardware, formerly Cullen's Home Center, Piscum Flooring and Custom Showers, Agassiz Granite Tops, and Medallion Cabinetry.